French carmaker Peugeot launched a locally assembled Peugeot 408 sedan Monday. The 408 will be assembled at the NASA Automotive Manufacturing Plant in Gurun, Kedah. NASA Group Joint Executive Chairman SM Nasimuddin says 40,000 cars will be produced over the next 5 years.
Of this target, we aim to export 60% to markets within ASEAN and elsewhere. We have worked hard at producing a car with quality that meets Peugeot's high standards and even invested RM20 million on a robotic assembly line.
He said this at the launching of the Peugeot flagship showroom in Glenmarie, Shah Alam. Nasim Sendirian Berhad, the brand's official distributor in Malaysia, expects to sell 400 units a month. International Trade and Industry Minister Datuk Seri Mustafa Mohamad, who launched the car, said Malaysia was the only country which produced the right-hand drive variant of the sedan. Also present at the launch was France Ambassador to Malaysia Martin Dorans and PSA Peugeot Citroën Sales Director for Asian Operation Jean-Yves Dossard. The 408 comes in two variants, 2.0L with an on-the-road price of 109,888 ringgit with insurance, and 1.6L turbocharged variant at 125,888 ringgit.